All right, the day is Sunday and it is yesterday. We had a video editing error, so we're at tomorrow's location. And we did our bachata. First thing we did was our basic, yep. And then we did some closed position steps. We did a spot turn, which is half a basic, and then pull around. Awesome, back to our basic. Then we did an inside pass after half a basic. He pulled her as an underarm turn, catch, nice catch. Then we had the lariat, which is a half a basic, and then leader goes and catch. Yep, awesome. Let's do. You're fine. There's no bad. This is a reminder so you guys remember what you did. Let's do one more of those though. He just pulls her to the right and turns. Awesome. Back to our basic. Then we had a handshake step, which was our catapult. Half a basic, then a turn for her, turn for him, turn for her, and a half a basic. Very nice. That was bachata tomorrow, yesterday. Thank you guys so much.